Tstt is limited to serving the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago, but we do connect our customers to their international offices with partnerships with companies like Sprint and Cable and Wireless. Tstt is a full service provider. We provide voice, data, video and mobility. Well, at present we have deployed maybe 18 months ago an IP MPLS and Metro Ethernet network to deliver Metro Ethernet services to our customers. But our challenge, of course, is our plant, our fiber plant and copper plant. We do not have fiber, mass deployment of fiber, maybe penetration 1 or 2%. And the copper plant, of course, is not in a very good state. So we use RAD products to deliver Metro Ethernet over copper. We use the LRS shelves, we use the ASMI, and I have seen the presentation on the ETX, and I think that we would definitely be looking at the ETX as a customer prem equipment for Metro Ethernet services in the future. Well, in addition to the ETX, I have seen a product, the eGate, which is something that we actually have an application where we've got to connect international MPLS to cable and wireless, and we are connecting at DS3, but our router interface is Ethernet, so we definitely would be looking at the eGate to convert the Ethernet interface to DS3 so that we could connect over the international links to CNW. Well, we in Tstt have been using RAD products for over 15 years now. The first value really is that RAD has the product we need for the application. So that is very important. They've got the product that we need for the application. In addition to that, the cost is very, very low for the advanced technology that is sold. So we have the product, we get it from RAD at low price. The RAD equipment is also very reliable. We have had no major problems with any RAD device. In fact, we have installed RAD devices maybe 8-10 years ago, and they're still working without any problems. RAD equipment is also very small, so it does not take up a lot of space in your equipment rack. It is also very efficient on power consumption, so that you do not spend a lot of money on power. Even now, the equipment does not dissipate a lot of heat, so it does not heat up your central office. You do not need a lot of air conditioning requirements. Of course, RAD, this technical support, after sales support is excellent, and our distributor, Until, is very supportive, and in fact, Until, in terms of delivery schedule, Until will even will stock some of the items that we use very often, so we could get it out of him at a moment's notice. Well, I think that what is going to happen, we already have our IP MPLS Metro and Metro Ethernet core, and we're migrating a lot of our TDM, Sonnet and Sonnet transport systems and legacy ATM. We're retiring those, and we're using more IP equipment, IP interfaces. We also see that we would probably be retiring in the next few years our TDM switches, and we already have a soft switch in the network, and we will be using voice over IP and IP telephone. Well, definitely, because the legacy equipment will not go away, and then we will have cases where customers will not want to change the legacy equipment, but we will have a requirement, of course, for evolution of our network, for OPEX and CAPEX reduction. We would want to go into next generation networks, but we cannot leave our customers behind. So definitely we will always have the cases where we've got our next generation networks, but we've got customers with legacy equipment. We will have to get devices to do the interface conversion, and of course we're confident that we will get those devices from RAD.